Nope, I waited too long. Will I be stupid? Probably. Okay. Prepare for stupidity. Jesus Christ, that was close. That was such a close call. Alright, well, there's Black Blizzard. First ever video on my channel was a Black Blizzard progress video. Yeah, okay. Very consistent level. Definitely one of the all-time best extremes ever, if not levels ever. Yeah, one of my favorites. How can you not love this level? Alright, okay then. Well, got okay luck, I suppose. Could have been better and could have been worse. Alright. On to the next level. Here we go.